We can use the Copilot feature in OneDrive to compare and extract key points from individual documents. However, if you're like me and the thing you're looking for might be scattered across several different folders, or if simply want to know what those folder and document in your SharePoint are about, then I suggest you to try SharePoint Agents. Once you're in SharePoint, you can first go to the SharePoint site, then click on Document to enter document library. This is a place on your site where files are stored. Select the folder you want to search or having questions. Then click Create an Agent. Here's the key. I can create an agent linked to these folders. Think of it as a chatbot that assists you, allowing you to ask it questions, find information for you, and so on. For example, I can ask if there's any information about progress review inside, and it will scan all the files in the selected folders and get me anything relevant. So I don't have to open each file one by one to check. Besides, it can summarize documents, create FAQs, or even provide suggestions on how to use this data. For more advanced sharing of SharePoint agents and Microsoft Copilot, check out our YouTube channel for more information. See you next time.